I'm scrolling through, I'm on the phone with my friend, and then I'm like, oh, hold up. I have $500 up in here. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nikki back at you with another video to help you all make some money. That's right. And the reason why I decided to do this video is because I just had an interesting experience. And I'm talking to you on my brand new Sony ZV-1 camera. Why? Because I just won $500 from one of the gift card apps and cash apps that I told you about on this channel many times before. So I wanted to share my experience with you all and give you a little bit more motivation that you can actually earn some big stuff on these apps. And not just with this situation, but I also wanted to give you just some more information about some other things that I learned while using these apps. So let's get right into it. So I was minding my business one day last week and I was on the phone talking to one of my friends, and my friends will tell you I will get real quiet real fast because I'm scrolling through my apps, I'm doing stuff. I'm telling you, when I tell you all that I use these apps too, I really do use these apps. So from time to time I may drift a little bit mentally when it comes to having discussions with my friends and stuff. So yeah, I'm scrolling through, I'm on the phone with my friend, and then I'm like, oh, in this app I had 81,000 points. Now mind you, I'm thinking, all right, 81,000, that's probably like $81. That's still big, right? But I'm thinking in the mindset of I'm using Fetch Rewards, which if you're new to this channel, let me just let you all know right now, some of these apps may sound a little foreign to you, so you might want to go back and watch my free gift cards playlist. But I talk about Fetch Rewards all the time. In Fetch Rewards, you can scan receipts, yada, 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 earn points, get free gift cards. Okay, so I'm thinking 81,000 points is $81 because I'm in the mindset of this is Fetch Rewards. But this was not Fetch Rewards. This was my points. So I've talked about my points a lot on this channel, and I've told you all my points is actually the first app, and they have a website too, but it's the first app that I ever signed up with when it comes to like earning free gift cards and stuff. So I've been with my points at least since 2015-ish, something like that. So I've been with them for a very long time. So I wasn't even thinking, because normally when I go in there, it's like maybe 2,000 points. Something like that at the most, because I actually will cash out for my gift cards. So I don't leave all that many points on the table when it comes to these apps. So then I did the math. I'm like, wait, 81,000 points. Let me just give you an idea. So I'm going to bring it up right here, okay? So you can see. When I went in, the first thing I did was, how much is this in cash? So the cash option to cash out on my points would be to cash out through PayPal, right? So I clicked on the PayPal, bam. All right, so $100 is 15,880 points, right? So let's do the math on that. I went in and I had 81,000. So let's just do the math on the 81,000, because what ended up happening was I actually had gotten 79,000 put into my account, but I already had a couple thousand in there, right? But 81,000. So this is what I was looking at in my account that day, right? So divide that by 15,880 points. How many is that? Five 100s. Okay, hold up. I have $500 up in here. Wait, so first thing I did was I went and I hit that redeem button. I cashed out for the $100. It goes through. I'm like, yes. Okay, so with my points, let me just let you know how that works. So when you cash out for PayPal, they say you will get it within 2 to 3 business days. And it can take up to 10 business days in order to get it, because they got to approve it. They got to make sure that you're not like some fraudulent person and, you know, doing some crazy stuff, right? At this point, I didn't know where these points came from. I just know they were in there, right? Because here's the deal. I refer a lot of you guys too. So I refer not just the divas and divos out there, but I also refer like my friends and family too. So again, I literally use this stuff that I tell you about, right? So I'm telling my friends, family, everybody, use these apps, right? So the thing with my points, this is a tip for you all. When you have my points, you don't just get the points that you earn. If you refer somebody to the app, you get a percentage of their points for life. Okay, so I'm just assuming like, yo, somebody must have like hit real big, because I did at that point, I just dropped that video, like maybe what, less than 2 weeks before that, I dropped the video where I told you all how you can play a game and get like $100 on my points, right? So I'm thinking, okay, well, some people must have did that and I got a percentage of those points, something like that, right? But either way, I'm like, I'm cashing out for another $100, because the max I could cash out was for $100 at a time. So I cash out for a second $100. So I'm like, I'm going to try it a third time. And then the third time, it did not work. So this is what I learned that day. You can only cash out up to $200. From my understanding, you can only cash out up to $200, because I hit the max for that day. Either 2 gift cards or $200. I'm not sure what it is, but I was only able to cash out twice for $100 on PayPal that day. So I got $200 that first day. Soon as midnight hit, I was up like, okay, it's a new day. It wasn't like right at midnight, but it was, you know, a little further, and I stayed up late. Happened to stay up late. I did stay up late just to get the extra money. But long story short, yeah, I cashed out for 2 more $100 hits for PayPal the next day. So then the third day, I cashed out for the last $100. By this point, I had already gone in and found out how I got the money. So when I look in, I see October Refer a Friend giveaway winner, 79,000 points. And then I ended up going online. So then a page pops up and it says that My Points is giving away $500 to 1 grand prize winner and $100 to 5 like secondary winners. So they were giving out $1,000 worth of points, and there's 1 grand prize winner that earned $500, and it was me. So I wanted to share this story with you, because I was actually going back and forth, like, should I even say anything about it? But no, I had to let you all know, because the lesson in this story that I want to remind you all, and I've said this before, but I do want to remind you all, when you go on these apps and these websites that I tell you about on this channel, and again, subscribe, and you will get all the free gift cards and money making apps and websites that I personally use to help myself earn, and I share that with you. So you might want to subscribe, okay? And make sure you hit that thumbs up button, y'all. But listen, so when I tell you all about these platforms to earn, also don't think about it in that one box, okay? Think outside the box, people. So the thing is, when you get these apps and websites, yeah, you can earn yourself, but it's a lot easier if you tell your friends and your families about these apps and websites. Because I just want to put this into context for you all. I don't have a lot of friends. I don't have a big family, but the people that I do tell, the people in my life, as well as you divas and divos out there, everybody that uses my links, I always tell you all, that helps support me and my daughter. And what that also did this time around for me was it allowed me to upgrade this camera. This camera that I just got is a like $750 camera. It's a Sony ZV-1. You can go look it up. I just got it brand new on Amazon. And the thing was, I put it on a payment plan, because if you don't know, Amazon actually has payment plans with no interest or anything, right? And I'm not even going to put out any of my own money, because what I'm going to do is or should I say, I just sold my other camera, the previous camera. I just sold that on eBay, because I'm like, I'm not going to use that camera anymore, and I already have another camera. Honestly, the last camera, I didn't like it all that much. Like the focus sucked. So I'm like, okay, I'll sell it on eBay, and I'll add that to the PayPal money that I just got, but I'm going to put it on my rewards card. So I'm getting rewards points for using my credit card, and then I'm going to use that PayPal money and that eBay money to pay off this camera right away. All right, so basically, I just got myself a free camera. And again, I say all of that to say that just because you have access to the apps and the websites that I tell you about doesn't mean that you have to go and do all this legwork and all of your points that you earn are only earned from the things that you've personally done. No, think outside the box and just know I don't have a big family. I don't have a lot of friends, but I do tell people about these apps and websites. Number one, because I do want to help you all. And for the first few years of my channel, I wasn't putting out affiliate links. I wasn't piecing that together to put the referral links or the affiliate links in there so that you all could use it. I would just tell you about it and then cut the camera and go about my business, upload it to YouTube, and I wasn't getting rewarded for it at all. So think outside the box, and you can win too when it comes to learning about these apps and things. Because if you have any kind of circle of friends or family members, a lot of times those people think like you. So if you're interested in ways to make money and stuff like that, most likely they're interested in that too. So share the wealth, share the knowledge, and share your affiliate and referral links. Okay. And another thing on that note is what I do notice, like, because a lot of you do know that I will go on, like, on Instagram. Those of you that follow me, you'll know, like, I follow people back. Like, I go through people's YouTube channels. I go through your Instagrams a lot of times. So when I go in there, a lot of times I'm looking at you guys's Instagram pages and stuff like that, and I'm seeing you have more followers than I do. So utilize those networks that you have and put your links out there, and you can earn big. So I just got $500 for telling people about this website, and it was just picked at random. So it wasn't that I referred so many people that I won. No, it was the fact that just randomly I was entered because I was referring people in my personal life as well as here on YouTube. And so again, I just want you all to know that you should definitely utilize those resources. And with my points, whoever you refer to my points, you will get a percentage of their points for life. So if that's not incentive enough, I don't know what is. But also, my points is not the only app or website where you can do this kind of stuff, where you can earn big for, like, referring your family and friends. One of the best platforms that I know about to, like, give you big referral points is Miles, the Miles app. So it runs in the background and it can track, like, the distances that you're going if you're traveling, and you can earn points for that. Last week, they had an incentive where if you referred only 5 friends and they took a trip with the app on, then you would get a $200 Amazon gift card. That's huge. You're only referring 5 people, telling them use the app, and then you can get $200. And that's not even a contest. That was just do this and you will get that. So a real quick rundown for my favorites of apps and websites that give you really big incentives for referring people. Number 1, my points. Okay, they're obviously in the number 1 spot because I just got $500 from them. Number 2, the Miles app. Number 3 is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is just like my points, and you can get bonus points for the person signing up as well as a percentage of their points for life. Now, the 4th one is Fetch Rewards. And really it's not in any specific order, but Fetch Rewards is the 4th one. So Fetch Rewards, I tell you all, you scan receipts, you earn points and cash out for free gift cards. And the gift cards normally come, now it used to be instant, but now it takes like a good 10 minutes for your gift cards to come. But listen, they have great sign up bonuses for you when you sign up and scan a receipt. And also when your friends and family sign up, they get 2,000 points normally. But, and I noticed Fetch Rewards does this around the holidays, they will give you bonus points for referring friends and family. So they are, I know last week they were giving, for every 2 friends, you would get like $7 in points. All right. So they have a bunch of free gift cards, including Amazon, Visa gift cards, Target, Walmart, Macy's, a bunch of restaurants, Red Lobster. I use Fetch Rewards a lot. So yeah, those are my top 4. If you ever get confused as to what apps to use or anything like that, I'm telling you, I have well over 100 videos. I think a couple hundred videos in my free gift card playlist at this point. So yeah, check that playlist out, and also follow me on Instagram. I have some big things coming. I have some big things coming. That's your warning, okay? All right, so I'm going to end this video. Ready to peace out in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please drop it down below. All right, y'all, bye.